Hi, welcome to STEM with Caracas. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the constraints. So what is a constraint? It is the condition that we are putting between the entities or whatever the drawing that we have on. Let's say that to be able to understand this concept, I'm going to be starting to work on a square example. As we all know that to be able to have a square, we should have four lines. Now let's make them starting with this sketch, and then sketch plane front in my case, and then having the lines. I'm gonna just pick up four randomly drawn lines. Now, as we all know that a square has four sides, and then that means the four lines that we have done right now. So first thing that we need to understand that these all lines are, two of them are parallel to each other, the other two of them are parallel to each other. And what we can do is we can use the parallel constraint to that. Where is this located? Right now, since my screen is smaller, that's why it just made that small, it minimized in that case. I'm going to click on this arrow to find out whatever these constraint that I need. As you have the whole screen, it is going to be on the ribbon over here. So what is the one that we are looking for? Parallel. Okay, parallel constraint. That means that my two lines are going to be parallel and the other two ones to each other as well. So let's say that this line and this line is parallel to each other. As we clicked on the first and second one, as you could see that these parallel to each other. These are parallel to each other, and this one to this one. Okay, so you could see that they are parallel to each other right now. As I click on this tool that over here on the box, you see that as I hover over this one, it is going to be highlighting what constraints that I have between them. Okay, as I bring this constraint, as I hover over the constraint, it's gonna pop up that small window over there to show that the lines that they have relationship between, which this line, and then the relation between them is they are parallel to each other, as you can see. And as I hover over this one, it is going to show the constraint which is parallel, and then which entities, which lines are parallel to each other is going to be this one and this one. Okay. So let's talk about the coincident. Okay, what is the coincident? That means that these two or more entities to share the same location in a sketch. Okay, so to be able to activate it, I'm gonna click on it, which is highlighted right now, and then I'm gonna click on two ends to be connected to each other. As we all know that this line supposed to be, this end supposed to be connected to this one. As I clicked on it, you saw that it brought it up to here. Okay, it moved it to there, and this line to be, this end to be connected to this one, and it moved it to here. And as you can see, I can click on this end to this end to connect them to each other, and this end to be connected to this one. Alright, so we have got a parallelogram right now. But as we all know that the if you are working on a paper, if you are making a rectangular or square, you are going to have 1, 2 vertical and then 2 horizontal lines. Let's put that condition to our drawing. So I'm gonna click on this vertical and the other condition to them. Alright, so these two lines are supposed to be, in my case, vertical lines. Okay, I'm gonna click on this one. As you can see, it vertical it, so it made it vertical. So if you notice that this one was automatically done too. Why? Because we said that this line is parallel to this one, and then it already noticed that if this one is vertical, this one is going to be vertical too. So we are calling this kind of situation as automatic referencing. Okay. All right. So the other thing that we want to use is the relation between these two lines are already parallel. We have put them, and we know that this line is supposed to be vertical in our case. So we are going to choose the it's supposed to be horizontal. We are going to choose the horizontal condition, and I'm going to click once to it. It already made this one. So we have got some constraints that going on here. To be able to see all the constraints, you can click on this check mark on dialog box. All right. So as you can show is we were trying to make a square. So what does square mean is all sides are equal to each other. Let's put that equal condition between the lines. That means that because all these are already conditioned, if I put a equal condition between this and this line, that means that these other two are going to be automatically adjusted into our needs. I'm going to click on equal condition, which is here lined up. We have other ones that you can discover on your own time. Okay, so we are going to work on this equal right now. As I click on this one and then click on this line, they made it equal to each other. Alright, so I want to see all the constraints again and then see what's going on there between them. Alright, again, one more time to talk about it. If I hover over this condition, this constraint, it is going to show what the condition is, and then this condition works between which entities, which lines. In this case, these two highlighted lines. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.